We are at Estrara in Porto-Banús, and we've managed to get this guy to make us a cocktail and show us the whole process.
Nice.
What cocktail are you making? Martini. Martini. Look at this. Oh, maybe it's rubber in martini. I'll have to ask you. Is that salt?
It's coconut.
Coconut.
Dry coconut.
What's this?
This
Yeah.
is coconut water.
Coconut water. Oh. Look at that. That's really cool presentation. With the yellow on there. Nice. Oh, shaky. It's all about the shape. You've got to have the good shape. If you don't have the good shape, look at that. Man's a genius. I always wondered what them things done, but they must filter out. You can say mini coconut martini. Mini coconut martini. Mini coconut martini. Look at that. That actually makes me want to buy one. I might get one. You want one? I actually want one.
Get one, yeah.
They look like
We taste it and see what they taste.
yes.
That's a good idea.
Yes. In the middle. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Perfection.
Perfect measurement.
Perfect. He knows that.
Done that a few
He
times.
knows, doesn't he? Oh, you missed it.
Burning cinnamon for you.
Ah, gracias. Taste test.
Nice.
Mate,
How do you like it?
take that. Try that. That is incredible. That hit a coconut. Oh. That is unreal. Oh, look at that. Oh, mate. Look at them little details now, Cal, with the flowers.
I would not be going home after a few of them.
No,
I don't
me
think.
neither.
That's
That's
nice.
going straight to my head, mate.
It's nice.
That is incredible. Look at that. Buddy, you've done the whole
Oh,
thing.
sorry.
You've done the whole thing.
I'll buy
I
you one.
only had a little taste.
That was that nice. That was that nice.
Look at that. Ain't that crazy? You know, Sand cinnamon. Yeah, look at that.
There you go, 300 quid.
Yeah. That'd be 300
€300.
You've got to pay for it.
Sacha!
You did tell him we weren't fancy ones, didn't you?
Sachita!
I hope he's not making.
wallet.
I hope he's not making.
He's making them. He just said
No,
to
he's
make
not.
them to buy them.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No.
My friend.
Wow. Off to the table. Here we go.